Boy, never.
You tell me, say, old dog, you got the airport.
Yes, sir.
Of young one, them.
So definitely, I try to tell it right now. You have to look young, yeah. That him I put out straight to you. Plain and straight, say, yo. You see me? I not fuck no big woman. I tell myself, I not fuck no more again. Yeah? Yeah, I'm going to fuck people, man. I tell myself, I not fuck no more again. No woman I catch party. No. Bye-bye. Not going there. But yeah, some woman and tell them, and then they are so still. Good in the video, you look them and then sit they now give no vibes. But when they see a man that are fat, you hear them jumping out, gone. Man, fuck them off, you know. No give them nothing. See,
When they come back,
yeah, them. No, hear them here when they see you. Oh, brother, buy more stallion. And the man will have a fat car and hear him to him, man, buy more soda. Say ambition. Go suck it, blood class. Say, me see you, if me come meet you, you know no bed come on me yard. Come in and buy you no bed. You have to go see you and buy yourself.
So when I tell him, so what happened? I don't understand what that
Alright, let me tell you with woman. You see, woman has skill things, you know. Woman, you have some woman and think 5 minutes fast and have some man. You see, some woman here, you fucking me don't both and you just stand up back for it. I go in and buy you.
Run out.
Everything run out, man. You think you need no bullseye and blood clot, darling. None. Because I'm a turn up on it, everything run out. You tilt him and make him lay down, man.
Everything goes second.
Go second.
Siemens and fly.
What?
Yeah.
Running up. When you think that back now, everything start crawl back down. I think going to the bathroom.
Can you go for already? You can't come
No, but I know, but I try to tell you, sir. Them have a style now if you stand up fast, fire, they block, they fly out, but what are they? Stand up fire out to them walk with the bathroom, go sit down. Knock and run out, they hear it in the bed. I'll say with the bed, look at me breathe, mommy. You know the mommy I plug pay card for your bum buck, man.
Yeah, man, I'm all over here, I'm really come money.
Pay money, man, I'm off for your next thing, go tell us, you know, sir. Yeah, breathe in the ear and tell your friend. Pay money you start spending and money after you give me money to spend. And find out why you're a clown. You're a new cone to picnic.
I show you me the girl in back shop. Sometimes girl in back to do say, I lift up the and drop it on.
Oh.
See them in a circle, you know?